What is inside?
Shoes.
Shoes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Bring here. Please here. Come on. Yes. Good job. Please sit down. Yes, please sit down. Yes. So we have a surprise box and we are going to open it. And what is inside? Light shoes. They know it was inside. Okay. Let's open it. Wow. Let's check it out first, one by one. Oh, this is a book. So this shoes is from Sketcher Company. Oh my God. They have given the booklet. So this is our first order. What is this? Oh, a gift for you. Yes. And this is bag. And what is this? Oh, wait, no. This is a fun stick. We can play with this fun stick. You know that? So we can make a lot of things. We can make round. What color is this? We can make anything. We can make triangle. Yes, we can make triangle. Yes, see? Triangle. No eat. Yes, you are good. We can make a square. So we can do a lot of things with this fun stick. Okay, let's open it. What is inside? Wow, my God! There is one shoes for you, for Samir. One shoes for Samir. Open it. What is there? Shoes. Light shoes. No, this is not light shoes. This is sandal. Yeah. Samir, and this is for you. Okay, let me open another shoe. And then we will see what is there. Yes, we will go Baha. We will go outside and then we will play. And this is for you. Yeah. Open it. This is good shoes. See here. This is light shoes. See? And see, there is green light, red light, white light. Okay, let me remove the tag. Yes, so we can wear it. Just wear the socks. When you walk, it will light up. Are you happy? Yes. Just wait. Yes, how many light is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 light. 1 light, 2 light, 3 light, 4 light, 5 light. See? Okay, some good shoes. Are you happy?
Baby, what?
Yes, baby walk. Yes, baby will walk. Yes, it will light up. When you walk, it will light up. Okay, we will wear this. Stand up, sit. Summer. Sit. You do? Okay. So just stand up. Okay. And do it. Sit. Walk. Whoa, so many lights. And in the night, we will check this suit. It will glow much better. Yes? Happy? Summer, do it. Good job. So we are going to check out. Yes, this is nice suit. Do it. Yeah. Do it, Summer.
It's like white light.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. Come back, come back. Slowly, slowly. You like the shoes? Shoes is good? Good. Are you happy? Good job. High five. High five. High five. Good job. Run, run, guys. Yes. What is that? Bike. Good job. Wow. What is that? Good. Big, big, big truck. Okay, guys. Ready?
Ready.
What you are going to do?
Water jump.
Water jump. Okay. Start.
1,
2, 3. Wow, light will gone bad? I don't think so. We will see if it is working or not. Are you ready? Start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Come back. Please. Samir, no, not there. Here. Are you happy? Say happy. Hands up and say happy. Samir, are you happy? Good job. Okay, come here. Run. There. This side. Samar, this side. Uh-oh. You're a great boy.
start.